Aliko Dangote maintain billionaire crown as Forbes list 2026 African billionaires. This photo come from Getty Images. Forbes don name Nigerian business tycoon Aliko Dangote as Africa richest man for the 15th time in a row. For the 2026 ranking of Africa richest people way Forbes release on Monday, March 9, 23 billionaires make the list and them include Abdul Samad Rabiu, Mike Adenuga, Johan Rupert, Michael Eliru, among others. No woman on the continent make the list. This year African billionaires get combined wealth worth $126.7 billion, up 21% from the $105 billion EB for 2025. The 2026 Forbes list been track the wealth of African billionaires way they live for Africa or way get the primary business for dia. This na the list of African billionaires way make the list, weeden dem they do and dia worth. End of content. List of 10 most richest men in Africa, Forbes. Aliko Dangote. This 68-year-old businessman make money from cement and sugar, and for 2023, he opened one oil refinery for Nigeria economic hub of Lagos. According to Forbes, Dangote way retain position as the richest for Africa get estimated net worth of $28.5 billion. Shares for cement company for the Nigerian exchange rise to nearly 69% since last March. Dangote cement doubled the profits for 2025 to a record 1 trillion naira. The business tycoon way plan to make oil refinery public later this year. Ben recently announced say company don sign one $400 million deal with one Chinese machinery company to accelerate plans of doubling the refinery full capacity by 2029. Johan Rupert. South African luxury goods magnate Johan Rupert hold on to the number 2 spot. He worth $16.1 billion. Abdul Samad Rabiu. The year biggest winner by far na Abdul Samad Rabiu. Estimated net worth jumped to 120%, he rise by $6.1 billion to reach $11.2 billion, gainway no other billionaire on the list been come close to matching. Rabiu, way be the chairman of BUA Group, now na Africa third richest person, he move up from this 6th position EB for 2025. Main asset, BUA Cement, see dia shares climb 135% on the Nigerian exchange. Nicky Oppenheimer and family. Anoda South African, former diamond miner Nicky Oppenheimer take the 4th spot. He be the heir to De Beers diamond fortune, and he get at least 720 square miles of conservation land across South Africa, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique. Net worth for 2026 day estimated at $10.6 billion. Nassef Sawiris. Egyptian investor Nassef Sawiris, worth estimated $9.6 billion, he essentially break even. Sawiris get stake for English Premier League club Aston Villa and he get roughly 6% of sportswear giant Adidas. He day set to become chairman of Adidas for the company shareholder meeting for May. Mike Adenuga. Nigeria third richest person build fortune for telecommunications and oil production. Mobile phone network, Globacom, na the third largest operator for Nigeria, with more than 17 million subscribers. He day estimated to worth $6.5 billion for the 2026 Forbes ranking. Nahib Sawiris. Net worth day estimated at $5.6 billion. Patrice Motsepe. The founder and chairman of African Rainbow Minerals, Bicom billionaire for 2008, he be the first black African on the Forbes list. For 2016, he launched one private equity firm, African Rainbow Capital, way de focus na investing in Africa. Net worth day estimated at $4.3 billion. Mohammed Mansour. Net worth day estimated at $4 billion. Michael Eliru. South Africa also produce one big gainer. Capitec Bank founder Michael Eliru, worth $3.8 billion, he benefit from 157% jump for DI shares on DI Johannesburg Stock Exchange, way post 45% gain as gold and platinum prices climb to new highs. OTA billionaires way make DI list include, Koos Becker, Isid Rebrab, Jani Mouton, Mohamed Duji, among OTAs. 4 out of DI 23 billionaires day poorer pass as dem be 1 year ago. Morocco Anisfree we lose $300 million after shares for IM Group Ataha bin fall more than 30%. Nigeria Femi Atila lose $200 million after sell majority of IM stake for Garago Power for discount to DI listed company market price. DI 2 men now worth $1.3 billion each, DI lowest figures for DI list. 14 out of DI 23 billionaires, or 61%, build dia own fortunes, dem no inherit m. South Africa they lead in billionaire count with 7. Egypt follow with 5, Nigeria get 4, and Morocco get 3. How Forbes take they measure DI billionaires? According to Forbes, dem they calculate an net worth with stock prices and currency exchange rates from DI close of business on March 1, 2026. Dem they measure net worth changes from Forbes 2025 billionaires list, way dem publish for March 2025. To value privately held businesses, we start with estimates of revenues or profits and apply prevailing price to sales, price to earnings or similar ratios for similar public companies. Some list members they grow richer or poorer within weeks, or days, of our measurement date. Forbes talk.